I always know when I've been too long without a video because I start getting messages from you wonderful folk asking me if I'm okay. And I am okay. Yeah, I think I'm okay. So there's a saying that says there's no such thing as a cheap Ferrari. Man, oh man, whoever came up with that was right on the money. Let's play a little game just to demonstrate that. The game is going to be, let's guess the value of the parts I just ordered for this door. And whoever guesses correctly within $20, well, you're not going to win anything, but you're going to win respect. Respect in the comment section, because you nailed it. After spending countless hours locating parts, they've arrived. What you're looking at is the clip at the bottom of the rod, the clip at the top of the rod, and the rod itself. Editing Lou here, and I just thought I needed to add a point. This is 3 parts times 2, so both doors, so 6 parts. But it doesn't include this threaded nipple piece that I couldn't find anywhere. That is, of course, without buying a super expensive used lock assembly. So I guess I'm just gonna have to make it. This required piece goes from the key lock assembly, travels downwards, and then fastens itself into the door lock assembly. However, the piece that is missing goes into the clip on the door lock assembly. So all I have is a dangling rod with no way of fastening it to the door lock assembly without this adjustable little thingamabobber. I don't even know what to call it. So first thing to do is to drill a hole that's the correct size for the 4mm tap. And then I love putting the tap right in the chuck. It makes it so much easier because I can use the mechanical advantage of the large spindle to easily tap this hole. And now, of course, check for fit. This is the second part that I've got to make, that I've got to weld on to the piece I just made. Alright, so I've got 2 parts made. I'm going to try and weld it for the first time.
Oh yeah, you're done.
It's got a shock. That'll learn me. Going gloveless. Yeah, probably not the smartest move. This is a pain in the ass. Much harder than I thought it was going to be. Maybe. Well, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it might work.
You're still messing with that door?
What?
You're still messing with the door?
Am I still messing with what?
The door?
Yeah.
Get the last door down?
I had to make that part.
The one that threads onto here?
Yeah.
How did you make that? Oh, I need lessons. How did you go about making something like that?
Well, you'll have to watch the video and find out now, won't you? Okay, proof in concept has been achieved. Now I have these little clips right here. The clip that is in the car is not really holding the rod because it's old and tired. I'm hoping I got the right clips because I don't need to go on another search and rescue mission. After about half an hour of just trying to get the rod to the exact right length, I finally got it. Had to keep taking it out, turn, put back in, take out, go. Got it though. So the previous shot, it was the winter time, and now this shot, it's summertime. Why is that? It's because I've been lazy? No, I've been busy with other stuff, problems here at the shop. Yada, 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 yada. We've already covered that before. Anyways, I shot a lot of footage and I've now cut it up into one video, which is dealing with the door, and then the next video which is going to be dealing with the ignition system. They're coming at you right now. On top of that, I got another 308 in the shop from a local fellow that needs a fair amount of work. Might get a video on that too. As always, thank you for watching and your continued support and checking up on me, because I do appreciate that. Talk to you in the next video momentarily.